Hi, this is Chris with Upgraded Points, and
Danielle Levine with Disney World.
I'm here to ask you a few questions about Tiana's Bayou Adventure, if you're willing to answer them.
I would be delighted to.
Okay, so we know that Splash Mountain shut down last year for a re-theme. Can you kind of talk to us about what's changing between Splash Mountain and Tiana's Bayou Adventure?
Yeah, absolutely. So while the core ride system will be the same, the depth of the work that's taking place is really more akin to opening a brand new attraction. We're going to have dozens of new audio-animatronic figures, and the story really picks up exactly where the animated film left off. So we're with Princess Tiana, our favorite jazz-loving alligator Lewis, as they're traveling through the bayou preparing for a one-of-a-kind Mardi Gras celebration where everyone is welcome. So we'll be seeing some new faces and the attraction that we're excited to introduce to everyone, as well as some familiar favorites and some amazing original music as well.
And that's going to be opening
2024.
Can you speak to us also, because we know that the Splash Mountain in Disneyland in California also just shut down. Is it going to be a sort of similar retheming, and also when will that one be opening?
So the attraction in Disneyland will also open in 2024, but the attractions will be very, very similar.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're so welcome. Have a great day today.
Thank you.